Hello, good morning. Oh my god, Itchy! There's so many of them. I'm dying. We have white chocolate matcha cookie and chocolate chip regular cookie. Mmm, soft. Mmm, very good. Okay, this is our last day in Paris actually. We've been here for almost 3 days. We explored a lot, but today the weather is not the best. So, the plan is art galleries, some shopping, some vintage shops, and some good food. So we will see where it goes. I'm excited. Oh my god, so beautiful. This one is also beautiful. Guys, I wish I could buy everything. It's so beautiful. I don't know what else to do. It's beautiful. I cannot wait to be rich. This is so random, but I was looking for socks like these for a long time. So I'm buying them. It's very cold actually. Oh, not this way. We've been walking around looking at some thrift shops and vintage shops for a few hours and eating also. But to be honest, it's not as enjoyable because it's raining. It's pouring rain the whole day today. So it's cold, it's wet. It's not so nice. So our plans for today were to mostly just walk around and see what we can find. But as I said, the walking around is not so enjoyable. So I don't know. We're planning to go to a jazz bar for some drinks in the evening. So we will see how it goes. We are going for the cocktails because in most restaurants and bars in Paris there's something called happy hour, and it's a period of time almost every day where the cocktails and the wines and stuff is cheaper. So we're going to drink. Thank you. Okay. They look solid. Okay, that's how they are looking. I cannot decide if they look like rain boots or no. I never had shoes like these before, so this is something new for sure. Of course, this is not the outfit, I just put on a skirt so you guys can visualize with me. Wow. Cows. Hello. Wow, I feel like in a painting almost. How many should I use? Like 3? 2? By the way, they're cooked, so you can just eat them like this. Mmm. Wow. They are so good. It really doesn't look good, but like, it's so good. And recently I got this new set of paint, but I was not paying attention when I bought it because those are the watercolors, and I didn't read that because usually I use the acrylic paint, but because they were in a tube I thought this is also acrylic. I didn't read it. And this works, but it's not drying how I would like it to dry, so it's a little bit messy. Like, look, I already have this brand. I thought it's the same, but it's not. I'm gonna use them anyway. But this canvas that I'm working on is actually so big because usually I work on smaller ones and my back hurts so bad because I have to really be careful not to make a mess because, as I said, this paint is not drying as I would like it to dry. So yeah, if you're buying some paint, check if it's not fucking watercolor, unless you're planning to buy watercolor. I'm packing and charging all of my stuff because I have another trip and we're leaving tomorrow at 6 a.m. I just love to look forward to some trip, you know? It's what keeps me alive. Kitsy's ready to go. Washed my hair so I look fresh. I look like a lion. I'm with my new pet. I'm excited because I don't know if I said it already, but we are going to London. London. I've never been to London before. I don't even know what to expect, to be honest, but we will see.
We're going with my parents.
Yeah. It's definitely something different than we did ever before, but it's okay. It's gonna be fun. He's bald!